Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and today I'm gonna show you how to like story on Instagram. First, we need to go to the App Store and find Instagram. Then we need to update it or download. After the steps, we should go to Instagram, and now we need to find the right story. For example, I will choose this one. At the bottom we can see three options: send message, like and forward. And we will tap on like. After the steps, user who created the story will see your feedback. For example, I will log to my second account and show you how it will appear in his stories, settings and notifications. Okay. We can go and we can see that someone likes me, and the same here. That's all. Thank you for watching. I hope we helped you. If you like this tutorial, you can subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.